This problem is 3 4/5 times 2 1/8, and you were instructed to do it without changing to an improper fraction. So what you're going to have to use is the double distribution method of multiplication. So 3 4/5 is the same thing as 3 plus 4/5, and 2 1/8 is the same thing as 2 plus 1/8. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply first your first terms in each set. So you have 3 times 2. Then you're going to do the outer terms, 3, so plus 3 times 1/8. Then you multiply your inner terms, plus 4/5 times 2. Then you multiply your two last terms, plus 4/5 times 1/8. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1/8 is 3/8. 4/5 times 2 is 8/5. And 4/5 times 1/8 after you simplify is 1/10. All right, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is you have to add these fractions together. So the first thing that I did was I found a common denominator between 8/5 and 1/10. So I multiplied 8/5 by 2/2, which is the same as 1, which keeps the fraction the same, and that gave me 16/10. So then I added 1/10 to the 16/10 and gave me 17/10. So that, when you go back, leaves you with 6 plus 3/8 plus 17/10. Next thing I did was I found a common denominator between 3/8 and 17/10. So I just multiplied 3/8 by 10/10, which is 1, giving me 30/80. Then I changed 17/10 by multiplying it by 8/8 to get 136/80. And that leaves you with 6 plus 30/80 plus 136/80. Then I added these two together to give me 6 plus 166/80, which simplifies down to 83/40. Next thing I did was I found out how many whole parts there are in this improper fraction by multiplying 40 by 2 to give me 80. Next I subtracted this 83, or subtracted 80 from this 83, which gave me 3 parts left over. So this 83/40 as a mixed number is 2 3/40. Add these two together and your final answer is 8 3/40.